Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log out from your Insta ID from all the devices it is currently logged into. Now it's pretty simple, you just need to do one thing. Now follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on the profile picture at the bottom right of your screen and it's going to bring you to your Instagram profile. Once you're over here, you want to click on the three line at the top right. Once you do that, you want to go on the settings option which is at the top. Click on settings and it's going to bring you inside setting. Now once you're inside your Instagram setting, what you want to do is click on this option called security. Now once you go inside security, you can see this option called password. Click on password and over here change your password. So first enter your current password you have, and where it says new password, enter your new password, and where it says new password again, enter the new password which you just entered again just to confirm it, and then click on save at the top. Now once you do this, what will happen is you will change your Instagram's password. Now once your Instagram's password is changed, every single device which your Instagram is currently logged into will be logged out, because since the password has changed, you need to re-log in into your account again to access it. So by doing this, you just logged out from every single device you are currently logged in on your Instagram. So that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to log out from your Insta ID from other device, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.